Hello guys, so I'm working on this wishes app. So we all know that we have a Christmas and New Year. Yeah. So what you can do here, you can share these on WhatsApp with your friend. So just need to click on share button. Let's try to send with the text message. So click on the message, and as you can see here, hope Santa was good to you. Like this, right? Now let me just try another one. And let's try another one, happy new year, and click on share button, and let's see the text message. See, happy new year. So you can share this message on WhatsApp also. Like you can use the Firebase, okay? So you don't need to update your app, you can directly update your codes on the Firebase, okay? So that I'm going to try to use Firebase here. So that's the amazing app. Tomorrow we will learn how we can create this overall app. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.